Well guys, Wildcat's Revenge is coming to Hersheypark in 2023. An RMC steel hybrid coaster. All this and more coming up next on PA&J Thrills.
Get ready, here we go.
We are taking a walk up to the construction site of Wildcat's Revenge. About to get a reveal of the coaster. I was pulling into Hershey, the park. It's about 12 o'clock, so the park opens at 2. But I just always try to get here a little earlier so I can film these updates for you guys and go up on top of Kissing Tower Hill. Kind of risking my life for all of you right now, so I hope you enjoy. But yeah, Wildcat's Revenge. I'm really excited. Here is, you can see right there, they're removing that part of the lift hill because the original drop right there on Wildcat is going to be used for the step-up underfoot and the world's largest step-up underfoot. So I think that'll be really cool. And I don't know, but I think this part right here is getting removed. I forget what they're using this for. I think this is getting taken down, these first turnaround. Here's what the original first drop looks like right now. It's pretty cool. There's just another look right here. All that track, all the structure is all gone. And it's just the where the new step-up underfoot is going to be. It's going to be really, really neat. I was really shocked that they're not actually going to be using the original drop for the drop anymore. They're actually pulling back the drop to over there somewhere. Yeah, I had a feeling that they were going to use a steel truss system because RMC did tease something like, where could you see our next lift truss system? So that was a surprise. Yeah, I'm really excited. The layout looks cool. We have the largest step-up underflip, and that's going to be right over there where the original drop is, and 4 inversions. And there looks like the black cross ties that we saw in the animation. I was also, I thought that was really cool that they decided to go with the black with the red. I think it's going to look really sick. There's all the track pieces from the old ride, ready to be taken to the dump. Here's some more track pieces. I'm like really close to these. cool. I'm trying to see if I see some new track pieces. I know I did see that they did arrive here on site. I'm just trying to see. Maybe we'll find some more when we go up on top of Hershey Gardens. All right, let's go. It also looks like they got tournament bands going on today. This is like a cavalcade exhibition that they often do. They do multiple cavalcades here at Hersheypark, and this is one of them. I actually performed in this one in college, and I'll tell you, it's a little weird not being in one of these bands right now. But I'll tell you guys, I really do miss playing in percussion. Alright, I had to pick up a shirt, so here we go. Yeah, you can find them right over here in the gift store. So, yeah, gonna be picking up one. I also want to mention that it's literally the first week in November, and literally I'm wearing a t-shirt, and so is everyone else I'm with. So it's pretty nice and warm. Where I live right now, up in the Poconos, it's a lot colder, but definitely when I come down here to Hershey, it's a lot warmer. So, all right, guys, we are now in the park. Let's go take a ride on the kissing tower and get a view. They still actually have the cars out even after the Dark Nights is over, albeit without the skeletons. But the only new change around here is that we now have posters showing what the coaster will look like next year. And it is very exciting. That stall right there looks really thick. Can't wait to see it next year. Another thing that I thought was cool is that this station now will have an unload and a load side. So I think that'll help definitely speed up operations and stuff. It'll be the first RMC to have one of those. So back here is where the new pre-lift section will be, as well as the reversing downhill roll and the second 0G roll. I'm basically going to be referring to the reversing downhill roll in these updates as the death roll, like what we saw in Iron Gwazi, because I mean, that's pretty much what it was when I saw the animation. I can't wait. That was one of the best moments on Iron Gwazi, and it looks like we're going to have an element very similar to that here on Wildcat's Revenge. It looks like this week they still have the Midway of Misery still up. I don't think they'll be having the fire effect, but that was a really cool archway. It's kind of hard to see, guys, but right there's the track pieces that have now arrived. And well, guys, that's going to do it from this week here at Hersheypark for another Wildcat's Revenge construction update. First time calling it Wildcat's Revenge. So I'm really excited to see in the coming weeks what happens next. They're not slowing down anytime soon, so I'm gonna go ride Lightning Racer. So be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well to stay up to date with Wildcat's Revenge. There's a lot of progress that's gonna happen in the next upcoming weeks. And please leave a comment for me. I love reading the comments. All right. Bye-bye, guys.